Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be starting out with this Prolux dual ended brush, and I'm going to be taking this NYX TAME and frame. I will be listing down the color of the pomade that I am using, but here I'm just starting out at the bottom of my brow and I'm doing small strokes and working my way towards the end of the tail. I'm here brushing up with the spoolie, and you'll see me doing it a lot back and forth, where I'll be applying product and then spooling my eyebrows out. This is just the way I do my eyebrows. It doesn't mean that you have to do your eyebrows like this. This is just the way I've been doing my eyebrows as of right now. And lately I've been liking the way they look, so yeah, I mean, I know my eyebrows aren't like perfect or anything, but I feel like lately I've been trying to get them to look more similar, because sometimes I can't get them to look the same. But anyway, here I am just stroking, doing small strokes, mainly from like the center towards the back, and then when I get towards the front I kind of like shade them upwards just to give them kind of like that faded effect. And then what I'll do is I'll take the brush and do like almost like hair-like strokes, I guess you can say. I just take the brush and I make my own hairs, if that makes any sense. Like I am basically just drawing in like strokes of hairs to make it look like the eyebrows more fuller in the front, because my eyebrows aren't like completely full. Like in the front of one of my eyebrows, it has like a small bald spot, and it's been like that since I was a kid. guys, so here I'm taking this Essence Make Me Brow Mascara, and all it is like pretty much little fibers that help give the appearance of thicker looking brows. And I really like this product. I've been using it for a while, and I feel like it really does help with like areas that my hairs grow very sparse. But anyways, here I'm going in with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer, and I really like this concealer to clean up my eyebrows because I feel like it's a perfect match with my skin tone. I know right now it's not gonna look like it. It's gonna look like it doesn't blend into my skin, but as soon as I'm done, you know, shading in my brows and cleaning them up with a sponge, you can see that there is like no difference between this concealer and my skin shade. Like it matches me pretty well, so I really do like this concealer. And all I'm using is the Alamar Cosmetics brush, and it's the flat definer brush, and that's what I'm using to clean right underneath my brows and just sculpt them out and make them really look nice and sharp. Guys, well, that is it for my brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.